Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Monday. If you guys see me moving, it's because I'm doing this live stream. Yeah, this live stream on my walking pad. So you guys are gonna see me walking here every single day. And yeah, I got a new standing desk and a walking pad. So to be a little bit more active, I'm pretty much sitting here for like 8 hours every single day between the stream and the mentoring program. Um, yeah, I needed something like a little bit different. Let's see if this gonna work out. So, for today, okay. So the main levels to watch on SPY is for me, I have 454 support and 456 resistance. On the Q, we have 388 support or 387 support, and resistance is around 392. For main like stocks that I'm watching, I really like right now Amazon and AMD. I also watching Tesla and Meta for so we have Apple like always. Watching just the levels on Apple and not looking to trade Apple and just watching how it's gonna move and if it's gonna hold or be bullish. So we know tech Apple moved pretty much the QQQ and the SPY. So like always, let's see how Apple is gonna hold today. But my main watches are AMD. I like this 122, 121 level of support. Ideally, I wanna see it holding 121, 122, which is where it is right now. So 122, 121.50 is the level that I'm watching on AMD. Amazon is the one that I really like. It's my favorite right now. So I want to see Amazon holding 148, 147.50. So pretty much Friday high. So we want to see Amazon holding Friday high. I'm gonna change this to Prim because right now it's acting as support. Premarket. So yeah, Amazon is my main, the one that I really like it. My favorite today. It's Amazon. If can hold that level. I really like Tesla also. Tesla is literally been consolidating between 244 and 230, 231. But I think as long as it keeps holding 230, 231, it's pretty bullish. So I think if Amazon goes back down to 232, 231, 230, it's a very good opportunity. Needs to hold, obviously. It's a very good opportunity to swing Tesla. I'm sorry. I've been saying Amazon. I'm talking about Tesla. This is Tesla, not Amazon. So, yeah, Tesla to between 230 and 233. It's a good hold. If it goes back down there, I think it's a very safe opportunity to swing calls. Meta, it's another one that I'm watching. Not my favorite right now, how it's acting pre-market, but 337, 336, 338 is the level that I want to see Tesla, sorry, Meta holding. It's kind of looking like Tesla, because it's moving between two levels in a range. A lot of things are moving in a range, but I think as long as it's holding 336, it's bullish. But yeah, my main watches right now are AMD and Amazon. So let's see how the market's gonna move today. Hopefully, we can get um good move. Last week was very choppy, but it was expected, right? We always have choppy days when the market is when we have holidays. So, but now we have free week. We have no holiday so far, but I think we're having a lot of data coming up today at 10, 10:30. We have one Fed speaking also, which is annoying. Um, I hate having so many like data and important news coming up, but it is what it is. So yeah, we have I will say at 10 new home sales. At 10:30 we have Fed's, yeah, kind of like Fed's meeting or something like that. And then at 11:30 we have note auction, which is bonds. So note auction we have, so basically from 10 to 11:30 we have bunch of stuff coming up. Yeah, so far I like this 454 hold on SPY. It's my main watch right now. 388 on the Q. Minute 3:30. Morning. Yeah, I'm walking on I got a walking pad. So yeah, I'm walking on a spot. Okay, so AMD so far is looking pretty good. Everything is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can have some consolidation, something, a little pullback or something. Morning, morning. So yeah, my main watches are Amazon and AMD. Well, AMD needs to cool off a little bit, needs to calm down. I want to see some consolidation here around 122 on AMD. And for Amazon, I want to see it holding 148, 147.50. Split increases the volatility. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me running here. I heard it's very, very good for concentration. And I honestly find myself doing more things when I'm walking here. Like I tried it on the weekend and I was working here, and yeah, I love it so far. So far, I love it. Okay, so I liked um Meta. I really like Meta here. I want to see it holding 337. AMD, that 5-minute candle is looking ugly, but let's see. SPY and the Q are rejecting pre-market high. I want to see the Q holding pre-market high, and same for SPY. They're both rejecting this little gap that he had from Friday. Like always, let's be patient here. Both SPY and the Q has a little gap here below, like from Tuesday close till Wednesday open. Well, it's mostly SPY. I don't see it. No, the gap got filled on the Q, but it's SPY has a little gap here. I don't know if it's gonna get filled there. I kind of feel like trying here AMD, but I want to see the Q holding here first. And same with Meta. I like Meta. Yeah, that's a clear rejection of pre-market high on SPY and the Q. AMD is looking pretty strong, and same with Meta. I just don't like how the Q is looking right now. And SPY. Okay. Okay, so Amazon just lost that 147.50, 148 level. Definitely ugly rejection on pre-market high. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trading futures today. I'm just waiting for a clear trend today. I'm waiting. I'm being patient here. It looks like the Q wants to go to 387 because that's an ugly rejection from pre-market high. But let's see if we see it holding here 388, I like the upside. Damn, AMD. I'm gonna go with Meta calls. I wanted to get into AMD, but AMD is too far. It's just too much. Meta 340 calls weekly. AMD, I think it's gone for me. My stop loss on Meta is under pre-market low, pretty much. So pre-market low, yeah, pre-market low is around 335, 335.50. Woof. Mm. I'm gonna try here with futures. Should I get the Q or I'm gonna go with the Q? Stay in the upside here because it's holding my support. My name, ADR is my name, like my initials. So my PT on Meta is 341, 343 mainly. Mm. Amazon is also looking pretty good. So you guys can go for Amazon also. Amazon is holding Friday high. I'm sorry. When it was Wednesday high. That's it. Yeah. AMD just gone. I'm gonna try Amazon here also. The 149 called weekly also. My stop loss is on Amazon is under 147. Okay, so right now we're just gonna wait and see how we go. I wanna see the Q breaking pre-market high, but I really like this hold here. I would like to see SPY obviously holding better, but 454, it's my level for SPY to hold, even though SPY is looking a little bit bearish. Tesla, it's near my level also, 233, 230. If I see some consolidation there, I might take Tesla too. But right now is the weakest one. So I like more Amazon, Meta, and AMD. Yeah, let's see how we go here. The SPY is not looking too good. Okay, Tesla is around 232. But first, I want to see, let's see. Yeah. If you guys want to trade Tesla, just wait a little bit for consolidation around 231, 230. But so far it's looking a little bit weaker than the rest. Okay, I want to see 338, 388 holding. Not looking too hot. Okay. I like it. Amazon's looking pretty good so far. I want to see a breaking pre-market high. Meta, it's just holding there. I'm eyeing Tesla. Tesla is like calling me. We'll see. Mm, 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 mm. Meta, yeah, it's curling down, but as long as it's holding like morning low, I will say this level here, pre-market low, morning low, I'm gonna hold Meta. I like that SPY, even though it's looking weak and it's under the VWAP, it's holding my level 454. So I like that. Hold on SPY. The Q is also holding here. Amazon's looking great. Meta is in like nothing there. It's kind of curling down, but it's still above my level. So I'm gonna hold. Meta is also looking pretty good. And I also like what Tesla is doing. But I don't know if I want to enter another trade here. Let's see, we'll see. Mm, 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 mm. Are you guys on anything? Mm, mm, mm. So, market is not moving much. So far, SPY and the Q are not looking too hot. Looking kind of weak, especially the Q. If it loses 388 this morning low, I'm getting out on futures. I don't care how much Meta is up or down. Is it holding my level? I'm not gonna sell it. So stop looking at Meta. If you don't have a plan, my plan is to hold is if it is holding 336. No, 336, even lower. 3 morning low. So if it is holding morning low, I don't even care what Meta is doing in between or above that level. I don't care if it is under, like if it is down 100%. It is weekly. Today is Monday. Meta is holding my level, so I'm gonna hold. Yeah, we have news at 10. So trade accordingly to your portfolio risk. Like how much you want to risk today. So far, I'm good. And, and I'm looking, I might buy Tesla here. I like what Tesla is doing here. SPY is looking pretty weak, but the Q is holding. What's Apple doing? Let's see. Ooh, that's why Apple's not looking good. I will say Apple needs to hold here 189. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like Apple needs to hold 189. Looking weak. Yeah, I'm I'm on a walking pad. Yeah, I just got one. Today's my first day with my standing desk and the walking pad. So far, I like it. And I can feel it right now on my legs. And I've been doing these, I have for today, like 1 hour. I have 1 hour walking here. Come on, just move higher. I want to see Amazon holding pre-market high. If you can hold pre-market high, I will say it's pretty bullish, and I can see it keep going higher. I have 150 as my next resistance, but that's kind of a little bit far. Let's, mm, mm, mm. Is it 150? Let me see. Yeah, I will say around there, 150. I have from 149.50 to 150. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, so yeah, just right now we just gotta, it's the game of wait and see. Based on what I've been noticed the past few months is when it's buying the queue doesn't like just go down in the morning, just stay at a level. If it is a level of support, it just change direction later in the morning. But we have that 10 a.m. news, so anything can happen. But so far, I love Spy. What Spy is doing. No, I'm not on Tesla. I don't have any Tesla. My Tesla options were for last week, but I'm thinking on getting in Tesla. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot on Tesla. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. No, not morning low. It's gonna be under 230. It's exactly the same trade that I did last week. I'm gonna go with 240 weekly. 240 calls. Mhm. And that's it because I think I have too many things. But it's just like all those um charts look too good to not try it out. Everything that I'm trading is based on my pre-market plan. You guys have it here. I have Meta 336, 337 hold, Tesla 330, 230, 231 hold, Amazon Wednesday high here. AMD, it just AMD went off. Ooh, but AMD is still holding at 122.50. AMD is another one. It looks exactly the same like everything else. It looks even better because it's holding Wednesday high. What? So yeah, everything's based on my pre-market plan. You guys have it on my Discord. Mm. Why is this stopping? Okay, we're looking good. We're looking good. But I need a little bit more from SPY and the Q. It needs to break, both need to break pre-market high. They're fighting there. Especially what I don't like about SPY that I don't love if it is under Wednesday low, Wednesday close. And it's having trouble there. I don't like that. I don't love that. Oops. AMD's tempting me here. AMD is holding so good. Ooh, the Q SPY. The Q is looking beautiful. We need a SPY to be above 455. I want to see a SPY being above 455. That's Wednesday's close, right? No, I'm sorry. Not close. Close, Wednesday close is pretty much today's high, morning high. But I want to see a SPY above this little resistance here. That's what I need. We need a SPY holding this little resistance as support. And I think if can hold that as support, it's gonna go back to 456 or near 456. At least 455.50 around here. It has a lot of rejection here. And honestly, I don't see a reason why the Q and SPY would not go higher. Well, no, yeah, we have bunch of data coming up, right? But other than that, technically speaking, it should go higher here. But who knows? Mm, 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 mm. Okay. 140 people here and only 30 likes? What? That's so sad. You guys definitely don't like the stream. Thank you to the 34 people that already liked the video without me saying anything. I know you guys are the OG, the ones that are always here. Thank you. Well, yeah, everything is looking pretty good. Everything but Tesla. Tesla is looking a little bit weak, but as long as it's holding 230 or it's above 230, I'm good. I really like how Meta is doing. What Meta is doing is looking pretty good. I need and I just want to see the Q holding pre-market high. That's it. Thank you. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. Look at Q. That's 388 hold, 389. Looking beautiful. Very, very clean setups today. But SPY needs to move. I need a SPY to move. But the Q is looking pretty good. Yeah. Look, um, I'm not sweating yet, but it feels very good to work out or at least to move a little bit while trading. Damn. You took profits on what? What are you guys trading with me? But yeah, look, if you already done, you only work for like 30 minutes. Ooh, look at Q. The Q is looking beautiful. Nice. NQ futures, nice. Okay, 390 is the next resistance on the Q. It's Wednesday's close. So 390, it's like this level here on the SPY that it needs to break. But yeah, if the Q can break 390, I think it's gonna go to back to 390.50, maybe 392. But yeah, that's the next resistance that the Q needs to break. So with futures, I'm up around a little bit above 3K, 35, 36. Okay, 390, 390. Okay, I'm gonna start selling a little bit here. Just locking some profits. I'm holding two. I'm holding two runners. Well, technically, I'm holding 20 runners. Let's see. But yeah, 390 is the level that I want to see the Q holding here. mm. Trading the queue. Microsoft. What Microsoft's doing? Microsoft's been very, very strong the past few days. Yeah, Microsoft looks exactly like everything else. 376 is the level that you want to see Microsoft holding. Your resistance is around 379. So yeah, it's pretty much everything looks pretty much the same. We open near support on everything. Ooh, that's an ugly, ugly rejection there. Let's see if the Q can hold pre-market high, because that's a big rejection candle. And again, SPY keeps rejecting this level here that we want to see it holding a support. Gonna put a little level there, red. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, okay. It's 10:13. Oh, So yeah, I want to see the Q holding here, but mostly I want to see the Q holding 390 as support, which it had an ugly rejection there. I like how Meta is consolidating there. I want to see a little bit more consolidation of Amazon. I don't like when, I don't know why, but I never like when the stock just go up like that. I want to see like go up and then consolidate a little bit and then go up again, then consolidate a little bit more. Tesla, it's looking pretty good so far. Holding. It's not moving, but it's holding. So it kind of looks like SPY in the queue here, like when it opened. Oh yeah, I'm not playing Nvidia. Nvidia, you guys need it. I need Nvidia, like I need Nvidia to like consolidate a little bit more, like a few days of consolidation. So premium, I can take advantage of premium going lower and showing me a clear like trend for the rest of the week. So Nvidia, like I noticed playing earnings, it's been paying very good if I'm patient and wait for a few days. After like, I don't even know what Nvidia is doing, but Nvidia is too expensive to play when it's risky. Like it's too expensive. It can move easily like 10 points or more, like 20, 10 points, like very quick. So higher, you have a higher risk, higher risk, higher reward, higher loser, higher winner. But I only like to play Nvidia when it's giving you like a clear, strong setup. And not like the thing for me, how I see trading is like I only want to trade something that is showing me like clear, um, just like good risk to reward. if I don't like the risk to reward, I just not playing it. And I know a lot of people like to play Nvidia and Tesla every single day. For me, it's only worth it when it has a good setups, not everything. And like A plus setups, not good setups, like A plus setups, like very good setups. That's how you get like big move. And I want to catch big move, not small move. I don't like putting like money, uh like risking money for like 5% setups. Like 5% profit, I don't like that. Especially not on Nvidia that is so expensive. But everyone's trade different. We all have different risk to reward. Um, so just because I don't like trading Nvidia every single day doesn't mean it's not gonna work for you if you like doing it. Yeah, let's see. The market is having trouble here. SPY keeps rejecting the same level there. But on the 15-minute chart, so far it's looking higher lows, which is bullish. But I don't like this, how if these 30-minute candles are gonna close like that, I don't like it. It's bearish. But we still have like 11, a little bit above, a little bit more than 11 minutes to close this 30-minute candle on SPY. And the same with the Q. Both 30-minute candles so far are not looking too good. We'll see. I need a bathroom break, but I don't think this is the best time to go. I want to see the Qs, both the Q and SPY are not looking too good. I'm fine with what I'm holding with options because we still have a lot of time to go for the options contract. Um, and everything holding my support levels, but with futures is a little bit different. I don't feel comfortable holding futures, even though it's only two runners, but I don't like holding futures when I need to go to a bathroom. Like, futures can go to zero pretty fast. Let's see. Tesla is currently up. Amazon is to hold pre-market high. Meta, it's just consolidating, but looking pretty good. Yeah, we just need a Q and SPY breaking those levels. The SPY pre-market high, the Q 390. How are you guys doing so far? We have over 100 people here, so and we have less than 100 likes. So we have 140 people here, and we only have 85 likes. So I have like 40 people, more than 40 people not liking the video. Yeah, so now it's the waiting game again. We have a little bit under 8 minutes for those 30-minute candles to close. If it closes with those ugly wicks, it's not too good. Block them. Those 30-minute candles at resistance are definitely my pattern that I like to trade to the downside, but I'm not going to because both the SPY and the Q are above my strong levels, which is for SPY is 454 and the Q is 388. I think if both loses those levels, the next one on SPY is 452 and the next one on the Q is 387. And I'm gonna have to get out of my futures runners, which I didn't want to. Well, let's see. Yeah, those 30-minute candles looking ugly. We have 5 more minutes to go. Anything can happen on 5 minutes. I've seen it before. I've seen it like if I enter here or I get out here on the rest of the time for this candle to close, it goes bullish or ugly bearish. But I seen like how everything can change in like less than 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Right now, guys, give me a little bit of time because right now I need to see SPY in the queue. Like I need to focus on my trades. I noticed like in November, I missed a lot of trades and I feel like I was too distracted answering questions and looking other things, and I wanna like go back to like basics and just pay attention to how my trades are working out or not. So yeah, I'll answer your trading questions in a bit because right now I need to see, like I want to see if SPY and the Q are gonna hold my levels here of support. If not, I have to get out on my futures trade. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so we're holding. So we're holding. Pretty choppy morning. Like the market's doing nothing. It's just holding strong support and that's it. Just chopping around. But I love Meta and Amazon. Not too happy with Tesla, but like I said before, as long as it's holding my support, I'm gonna hold my play on Tesla. Dancing trading, I'm walking. AMD is looking pretty good here. I just don't know if I want to if I want to trade more things because I have Tesla, I have I'm sorry, I have Amazon and I have Meta. But AMD is looking pretty good. I think as long as keep holding 121.50, 122, it's bullish. Hmm, mm, 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 mm. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try AMD. I just cannot not trade that one. I'm gonna go with the 123 calls weekly. Mm. Like we have too many good setups, and I feel like I'm over trading, but it's just like too good to not trade that one. To all of them. Under 121.50, that's my stop loss on AMD. But yeah, we need the Q to break 390 and use it as support. Um, in SPY, I want to see it holding 455. I'm not even gonna be looking at AMD and just put an alert around 121.50 and one around 124.50, and those are the levels that I need to watch. 124.50 is where I want to take most of my profits, and under 121.50, that's my pretty much my stop loss around there. That's when I put alerts like that and I don't even watch the chart, it's when I have my best runners, like the best trades. That way I get my emotions out of my trade. A bear flag? Maybe, but so far I think it's holding pretty good. Like I said, um like it could, but as if Tesla doesn't break like my level of support, like I'm just following my plan. Look how Tesla it's been holding the same level for days, like days. Unless we have like a bad news or like high volume bad news, I think Tesla's gonna keep holding 232, between 230 and 233. So the risk to reward here to play the upside is too good to not take it. And if you want to play the downside because you're looking a bear flag, um I will say you need to wait until it loses 230. One thing that I think it will help you a little bit more to understand how I trade is that I trade based on big time frames. I don't trade for like 5 or 2 or 1 minute setup. I enter my trades based on my levels on bigger time frames, and I watch the 5 minute chart for that, for entering my trades. But my plan is based on bigger time frames. Yeah, this is trade obeyed. That's how I trade futures. I trade futures with trade obeyed. Yeah, no problem. So, how you guys doing so far? What are you guys trading? This is getting super boring. Ooh, I've been walking here for over 2 hours. And I really need to be. – 'SQ? What is SQ doing? 63 is the main level that I'll watch on. Well, 60 is one, and then 63 is another one. It looks like inverse head and shoulder on the daily SQ. Tesla going, looking beautiful so far. Look at this. It's doing nothing but holding. So we have this big up and down, up and down, up and down here. Nothing happening in between, but the risk to reward entering at the strong support, pretty good. Now we just want to see Tesla breaking 244, which is what I was looking for my trade last week and the week before. But yeah, I'm not expecting too much because of how the market is moving, but again, as long as it's holding my support, I'm bullish on this one. And Amazon is holding beautifully also. And Meta too. So everything is doing pretty good. Meta needs to break 340 and hold it as support, because I can see how in the past it's been rejecting 340. Might be doing a head and shoulder, I don't know, but because the market is bullish, I'm not looking to play the downside unless SPY and the Q break my levels of support, but so far both are looking pretty good. Okay, so SPY and the Q are looking good, so I'm gonna go for my bathroom break. Not selling anything so far. I'll be back like a few minutes. Also, I need a little bit more coffee. And we're still doing nothing. So SPY and the Q keep rejecting the same level. SPY still not able to break pre-market high. And the Q is holding pre-market high, but that 390 level is resistance. We need those levels to break and use it as support for more upside. Today, at least. Oh, can you guys hear the walking pad? Like, it makes a little noise, but I don't know if you guys hear it. Mm, mm. Ooh, I like that. Hold on the queue. I'm so hungry, and I don't have any like protein bar to review. Ooh, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'll go today. I'll go today and buy some protein bars to review this week. It's just like I don't like eating protein bars every single day. Kind of mess up my calories, like my calories intake per day, because if I eat a protein bar, I have to cut out a little bit my carbs during the day, and I don't know if it's worth it every single day. But maybe because I'm now walking while trading, I'm burning calories working. So maybe I can have those extra calories to get to eat protein bars every day, because each protein bar is like 200 calories, a little bit more. Some are a little bit more than 200. 200 calories is a lot of walking. So we have the bone auction at 11:30. We already had the new home sales and the auctions are 11:30. So yeah, I'm gonna be out of here before that 11:30 auction. You guys know how it gets pretty choppy before the action, it goes down, and then after the action, it move whenever how the actions went. But yeah, I don't want to be trading here on that chat on this chat fest, and it's gonna be even more choppy before bonds the auction. So yeah, most likely I'll get out before 11:30. Thanks, Mark, and welcome to the stream. You guys can hear it? Awesome. Like this is my first day with the walking pad and the standing desk, but so far I love it. You guys, I'm gonna save like 2 hours of my day because I'm not gonna have to be doing cardio after like my weightlifting workouts. So most of the time I will go like I will finish the stream, I will break my fast, and then I will go to the gym like 2 hours, 2 hours and a half because if 1 hour, around 1 hour, 1 hour and a half of it depends what are trading, but it's around 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. No, it's around yeah, around 1 hour and a half of weightlifting, and then I will do like it depends if it is a leg day, I will do like 30 or 45 minutes of cardio. Um, depend how lazy I feel also. Um, and so yeah, if I'm walking here like 8 hours per day, I don't need to do my cardio. Although I like running, so I've been running every day, at least 5 days a week, around 5 p.m., 6 p.m., between 3 and 5 miles. But now I'm probably gonna only run for like 3 days a week, and that's it. Yeah, because I'm gonna be walking a lot. I do like my days are like I trade in the morning with you guys on the stream, and then I do the mentoring program from 4 p.m. till 6:45. Sometimes 5:45, other times till 7. So that's a lot of hours that I was sitting on my desk. Not anymore. Not anymore. Everything is so slow. So slow. The Q and Spire look exactly the same. Both are doing nothing, but as long as they're holding, it's bullish. We're just fighting those Wednesday support that today are acting as resistance. But I think as long as both are holding, they're looking bullish. Holding SPY 454, the Q 389, 388. Welcome, Woody or Mark. You guys got any like good, worth it um Amazon Cyber Monday deal or Black Friday? Like I bought a bunch of things last week and on Black Friday they have the same price. So I knew this before, but now more than ever I know Black Friday is all lied. Just a lie. Pure marketing. Unless you got my mentoring program because you did got 50% off on that. Those coupons, those Black Friday coupons for the mentoring program ran out very fast. It's already close. So look, Amazon looks exactly like Tesla. Everything looks the same. Like Meta is looking the same. Microsoft Spy is looking the same. Look, Microsoft, I'm sorry, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, Spy, the Q, probably AMD is looking the same. Trading View was a good one. Trading View was a good one. But I sadly I bought Trading View like 2 weeks ago and I paid full for that. I've been thinking on cancel and then maybe I can cancel my subscription and then buy it again because I'm paying monthly. It's not like I paid like the yearly fee. And what else? Ooh, Apex 90% off. It's still running till one more day. Well, it's till Wednesday. Apex 90% off. Till Wednesday. I might get a little bit more 25K accounts so I can like play around and see like I buy like when it's so cheap I buy evaluation accounts so I can play it out like with new setups, new strategies, stuff like that. Yeah, 25. I was thinking of getting like a big one, like 300K. But if I get the 300K, I know I'm gonna be trading with minis, and I don't want to put that bad habits on my brain because if I do that, then I'm gonna be wanting to trade minis on my PAs, on my real accounts, and that's too risky. That's too risky. But I kind of feel like flirting with the 300K account. For these, the only way that you can pass and really being consistent with that one and not take you forever is trading with minis. I know. In fact, now that I'm thinking, I think the first time that I got TradingView, the first few times that I got TradingView we're all with Black Friday uh discounts. No, you don't need, it's on for the peers, you only have one account on TradingView. I'm sorry, on Apex. The thing is like Apex that you have up to 20 accounts. I know Top Steps that you have only 3, and I don't know the other ones, but that's why I like more TradingView, because right now I'm trading with this group of 10 accounts. I have so far I have 15 PAs, but I'm trading with 10 on this group. This is getting super boring, very choppy, not looking too hot. To 11. Spy and the Cure is slowly making higher lows, but they're still rejecting the same levels. Oh, really? I didn't know that. So I can apply, can apply to the Black Friday deal with my account. My target on AMD is the week at the top from last week. What's the high of last week? That's my PT. Yeah, I think it's 124 above 124.50. That will be my PT. It doesn't look like it's gonna go there today. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm not really watching. I don't have AMD chart on my screen. But let's see. Um. Okay. So yeah, it's this week here. That's my PT. This week it's around 124.70. Yeah. But because we have the entire week, um, I think AMD could even go higher. But I can see it having trouble here around 123.50. That's a clear rejection point on Wednesday. So first, your first PT should be here if you don't have patience. And then my main one is here this entire week. Yeah, SPY is not looking too good. We definitely don't want to go higher than 455. Should I sell here? Kind of feel like selling my entire position on the futures and then just be done with my trading day. Decisions. Yeah, we have a bunch of stuff coming up this week. I still like I don't understand why Powell needs to keep speaking like so close. Like this week he spoke I think last week also, and he always says the same thing. Always. They already said that they're not gonna hike the rates until next year. So why he needs to keep talking? We all know that they paused the rate hike. So why? I don't see the point on him keep saying the same thing over and over and over again, messing up with my trading. Yeah, we're curling up, we're curling down, we're curling up, we're curling down, doing nothing, rejecting the same level and holding the same levels. Okay, SPY definitely not looking good. And that's an bearish engulfing candle so far on the 30-minute time frames on the SPY, which is pretty bearish. If loses 454, the day is done so. The day is gonna be red. Why are you shorting Meta if it is above a very strong support? Like your risk to reward is not too good. Unless you're looking for like 5% scalp. Like I don't understand why shorting, even like just because the market is looking bearish right now, it doesn't mean it's a good put play. Unless it breaks the strong supports like SPY. If SPY breaks 454, I understand like it's definitely a put play. And for the Q is 388.50 around there. 388, 388.50. But if it is still above a strong support, the risk to reward on puts is terrible. So you have your bigger time frames are bullish, like the weekly and daily are bullish. You're still holding a strong support, which is bullish. Yeah, sorry, you're going against the trend. So if you guys look like the past few weeks, how SPY, like how the entire market's been moving, because we are on a bullish trend, like bigger time frames, weekly and daily, and 1 hour and 4 hours are bullish. So when you have a bullish trend, you want to play the upside on a strong support. If you're a scalper, like if you look in the past, how the biggest move it's been to the upside because the market is on an uptrend. You're having more trouble going down. If you are on a bearish market, you want to play the downside out of a strong resistance. That's how you get like bigger, like like better risk to reward trades. Can Tesla go lower? Yeah, definitely can definitely go to 230. Yeah, no problem. Mm, 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 mm. See, SPY and the Q keeps holding, and No, doesn't want to go lower. Yeah, it's just a choppy day. No clear direction. Very small, like 2 points, 1 point. Range on both the spot, on at least on the spy it's been like here, rejecting this level and holding this level. As I think as long as both are holding like that, we have no trade. Is it good to play puts here? Yeah, if a spy can lose 454. I think as long as it keeps holding 454, there's a no downside trade for me. And same with the Q. The Q it's moving a little bit more, but it's still no, it's still $1 range. We still have trouble here. So we're moving inside this very small range. 280. A lot of 280 premium selling. Amazon is very weak right now. It loses 147 and getting out. Well, it's yeah, 147. So yeah, everything's about here. Spy 454, the Q 388. If you lose that, where Spy is definitely gonna go lower to 452 is the next one. Let's see if I'm good. Well, 453.50 is the next level, and then the main one I will say 452. But first, needs to break 454. Mm, 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 mm. This is so boring. Um, okay, I think I'm gonna be done with the stream because I don't see like anything changing here. Um, if the SPY loses 454, we're just gonna keep going lower and lower, and the SPY is gonna most likely gonna close red. But I think everything depends on the auctions that we have in like 15 minutes. Um, so yeah, SPY needs to hold 454. The Q needs to hold 388.50 around there, pretty much this level here. I'm holding Amazon unless it breaks 147. I'm holding Tesla unless it breaks 230. I'm holding Meta unless it breaks pre-market low, which is around 335.60, 336. And I'm holding AMD unless it breaks, let me see, 121.50. So holding everything unless they all break my level of support. Even if it goes lower just before the auctions, I'm not gonna sell because that's only like a quick, most likely it's just like a quick move before having the real data. So if after the auctions it's under my levels, yeah, I'm gonna say sell everything. But as long as it's holding, there's no reason for me to sell. Um, Everything for me still look bullish on the bigger time frames, holding those levels. Oh yeah. So I'm still holding two runners here on the Q. Nothing has changed for me unless you break my 388 level. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and watch some Netflix while waiting to see if it's really gonna break my levels or not. But yeah, still holding two runners there. So far, I'm up, let's just say 300 on each account. So 300 multiplied by 10, 3K so far. Um, so yeah, that's it. It was pretty good morning until it wasn't. So so far, I'm pretty happy, honestly, with my trades. I like all of my trades because I follow my plan. They're all holding my support. If it topped me out, it's not a bad trade. It's just like the market it was weak. But I don't think the risk to reward here on everything is too good to not take those trade to the upside. So yeah, see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye.